We're so excited to bring you the taste of Africa from the island of Mombasa in Kenya with Chef Zayn from Medyz Swahili Cuisine. So you're going to show us a couple of traditional dishes.
Hi Cindy, thank you so much. I'm very excited. In fact, we're the first Swahili cuisine in the United States. And we're based here in Texas, in Houston.
Yes.
It's very exciting.
Yes.
So what we're making today is a very traditional Swahili food.
So now, Chef Zayn, we're ready to prepare the traditional Swahili kidney beans and coconut rice. Looking forward to learning this.
Thank you, Cindy. I'm excited to share this recipe again. This is the Goya award-winning oil, so we're going to use some of this, just a little bit. We have some red onions here. While we're frying this onion slightly, I want to start heating up some water so I can make some of the jasmine Goya rice. So as we stir and fry the onions, we let it cook for a little bit. So now we're going to add some of the Goya kidney beans. Right there. We'll do a little bit of salt. I love green peppers.
Me too.
It just brings a very fresh aroma and very flavorful. So we let it cook a little bit. And we have some hot water here and start making some of the coconut rice. So we poured the Goya coconut milk into the warm water and add a little bit of salt. I have some jasmine rice here, Goya jasmine rice. So this is coconut creamy rice. So while we're making the jasmine rice here, we'll leave it here for at least 15-20 minutes to cook. So a little bit of Goya tomato puree. I'll do like 3 spoons. Very simple to cook, very easy. And then you want to add some of the Goya coconut milk. See that? Very, very Swahili. We serve this a lot with rice or with chapati. So this is ready, like you see it. Our rice is also cooking. Should be ready in another few minutes.
This is the kidney beans.
And you know, coconut is one of our main ingredients.
Delicious. The blending of the flavors.